This video will be covering period 4 of American history. For this, I watched Amistad, directed by Steven Spielberg. So it tells the story of the famous court case, Amistad versus the United States, which was about a Spanish ship brought Africans to America illegally because at this point international slave trade had been outlawed, even though slavery itself hadn't yet been outlawed. So there was confusion in the case whether they were to be tried as slaves, in which case they were murderers and charged for piracy for hijacking the ship that they had been kidnapped on, or if they were to be charged like free people from their country, or from Spain even, because they were on a Spanish ship, in which case they would be the victims because they had been abducted illegally. So that took, the court case took 2 years, and in that regards, explaining the issues and the complications of the case was really well explored in the film, I think. But when I was researching it, the final speech made by John Quincy Adams wasn't even close to reality, as well as I think the final verdict. I think one site said that the verdict wasn't really accurate either. Beyond that, though, I think it's really interesting to figure out how complicated that time period was in regards to slavery leading up to because this was well before the Civil War. So there was a lot of different takes on how slavery should be handled in this time period, and that's represented in the movie.